Cryptocurrency trading is a lucrative yet complex market. As a beginner, it's important to start with the basics. In this video, we'll cover the top cryptocurrency trading tips for beginners and how to get started. You'll learn the best practices to follow when venturing into the world of cryptocurrency. Before making any investments, it is crucial to do your research on the market. This includes understanding the technology behind each coin, the market trends, and its potential for growth. By doing due diligence, you'll mitigate the risks and increase your chances of making profitable trades. It's essential to start with a small investment when entering the cryptocurrency market. This will give you the opportunity to learn the ropes and become familiar with how trading works. By starting small, you'll also minimize the risk of losing all of your money in case of market fluctuations. It's important to keep up to date with the latest trends in the market. This involves keeping an eye on the news, current events, and social media. By doing so, you'll be able to make informed trades and identify opportunities for profit. A stop-loss order is an important tool to ensure that you never lose more money than you're willing to risk. This tool will automatically execute a trade when a specific price is reached, ensuring that you're able to limit your losses in volatile markets. Always utilize a stop-loss when trading cryptocurrency. One of the most important tips to follow when trading cryptocurrency is to keep your emotions in check. Fear and greed can lead to hasty decisions and poor investment choices. By staying level-headed and disciplined, you'll be able to make rational decisions based on market trends and your research. In conclusion, cryptocurrency trading can be a lucrative opportunity for beginners, but it's essential to follow these top tips for success. Always research the market, start small, follow the market trends, use a stop-loss order, and keep your emotions in check. With these tips in mind, you'll be on your way to becoming a successful cryptocurrency trader.